Imagine a blockchain that is as fast as a racing car, as secure as a bank vault, and as private as a whispered secret. In the 2026 bull run, the market is no longer just looking for another Ethereum clone. It wants security and privacy. It is searching for modular sovereignty, the ability for a network to handle millions of users without breaking a sweat. Welcome to Crypto AI Predictor. Today, we are deep diving into the powerhouse known as Manta Network. This isn't just a single chain, it's a multidimensional ecosystem that has become the premier home for zk applications. As we move through this explosive cycle, Manta proves you don't have to choose between performance and secrecy. Before we reveal the universal circuits and the $1.60 price target, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always conduct your own research. So what exactly is Manta Network? It's a modular ecosystem designed for high-performance, decentralized applications. Its success stems from a dual architecture approach that balances Ethereum scaling with high-speed privacy. Manta Pacific is the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. It uses Celestia for data availability to keep costs ultra-low. Then there's Manta Atlantic, the high-speed Layer 1 built on Polkadot, focused on zk-compliant identities. It allows you to prove your age or citizenship without ever revealing your actual private data to the world. In 2026, the big news is the strategic consolidation. The team is streamlining everything toward Manta Pacific. Manta is becoming the primary destination for institutional DeFi and mass consumer applications globally. This brings us to the Manta Atlantic sunset, a pivotal move to unify liquidity and simplify the ecosystem. The sunset process began with the suspension of staking and bridge transfers, leading to a final read-only mode. A migration DApp was launched to help users seamlessly move their Manta, DOT, and USDT to the Pacific layer. By August 1, 2026, block production on Atlantic will cease completely, marking the end of its Parachain era. Don't worry, any untransferred tokens will be airdropped 1.1 to your Manta Pacific address automatically. This consolidation highlights Manta's modular advantage, decoupling execution from data availability. By using Celestia for data availability, Manta has saved users over $6 million in gas fees so far. But they didn't stop there. Manta is the first L2 to implement a multi-DA strategy for ultimate resilience. By integrating layers like EigenDA and NearDA, Manta ensures 100% network uptime and redundancy. Now, let's talk about the narrative driving the bull run, zk as a service and the universal circuits. Historically, building zk applications was a nightmare. You needed to be a PhD-level cryptographer. Manta's universal circuits changed everything. They allow standard Solidity developers to build privacy with ease. Take zk Shuffle. It enables mental poker where card dealing is provably fair but completely hidden on-chain. This is a game changer for on-chain gaming, where hidden information is vital for strategy and fairness. Then there's zkSBT, providing privacy-preserving identity verification for real-world asset compliance. In 2026, Manta is also merging the zk narrative with AI through its new modular AI strategy. The Manta AI suite allows developers to train and deploy AI models directly on the Manta Pacific platform. Using optimistic machine learning, Manta enables off-chain AI inference with full on-chain verifiability. Kenny Lee envisions AI-driven agents balancing user loads across different L2s based on real-time fees. This horizontal scaling ensures the network stays fast even during massive traffic spikes. The Manta ecosystem is already home to viral dApps like AsMatch, the zk-based social matching app, and Prove Finance, which is bringing real-world asset investments, like sports infrastructure, to the chain. MantaSwap remains the primary hub for low-fee private swaps across the entire ecosystem. Thanks to a partnership with Symbiotic, Manta reduced withdrawal times from days to just minutes. This fast finality is a major breakthrough for user experience and capital efficiency. In late 2025, Manta pivoted toward enterprise-grade DeFi to attract traditional financial institutions. By prioritizing regulatory compliance, Manta is becoming the bridge between Wall Street and Web3. The Manta token is the primary utility engine that powers this entire modular stack. It's used to pay for transactions and zk proof generation on the network every single day. Native staking went live in late 2025, allowing users to secure the network and earn rewards. Stakers help secure the Manta Atlantic layer and participate in the decentralized sequencer for Pacific. Manta holders also vote on which new universal circuits should be prioritized for the next upgrade. The community manages a massive $50 million eco-fund to support the next generation of builders. This fund ensures a constant inflow of innovative dApps and tools into the Manta ecosystem. With the consolidation onto Manta Pacific, we are seeing a true concentration of value in the Manta token. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, our proprietary AI price prediction for the bull run peak. We've analyzed Manta's total value locked, which has remained resilient despite market fluctuations. The developer inflow from other L2s is hitting record highs, signaling a massive shift in talent. Our models identify a modular premium, a valuation boost given to projects that scale using a modular stack. Modular chains like Manta are simply more efficient and privacy-aware than the older monolithic rollups. As the total crypto market cap pushes toward $5 trillion, Manta is positioned for a major breakout. According to our deep learning simulations, the price of Manta is predicted to climb toward a target of 160. This 160 technical magnet represents a complete re-rating of the network's value on the global stage. Reaching this level would place Manta firmly among the top 50 projects in the entire world by market cap. At this stage, Manta will be recognized as the universal zk layer for the entire Ethereum ecosystem. The path to 160 is driven by institutional integration as banks seek compliant ways to use DeFi. Manta's zk identity layer becomes the mandatory utility and the only viable entry point for large enterprises. This demand provides the sustained buy pressure needed to reach and hold these new all-time highs. Analysts are increasingly optimistic, with some even pointing to double-digit targets in a hyper-bullish scenario. Looking further out to 2030, predictions range from conservative growth to explosive dominance in global finance. Manta Network is truly the silent powerhouse of 2026. It's building a smarter and more private future. The ability to protect your identity while participating in global finance is the ultimate utility of our age. Manta is the bridge that makes this possible, today and for the decades to come. Keep a close eye on the new app launch announcements on Manta Pacific. Each one is a signal for growth. Every time a viral app chooses Manta over its competitors, the road to $1.60 becomes shorter. Manta's commitment to community expansion, especially in Asia, is laying the groundwork for mass adoption. As Kenny Lee says, Manta is paving the way for a more robust and reliable blockchain ecosystem. With multi-DA and modularity, it remains the most resilient and scalable L2 in the market today. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Manta Network. We hope you found this breakdown valuable. If you enjoyed this masterclass, please hit the like button and subscribe for more 2026 predictions. What's your price target for Manta? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the next generation of Web3. Manta Network, fast, private, and modular. This is the future of blockchain. We'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay informed, and happy investing. This has been Crypto Eye Predictor. Goodbye.